So you want to go ahead and delete an Instagram account that you may not be using. Well, first thing I'm going to say is that Instagram makes this process kind of difficult. So my first advice would be logging on to Instagram from the web. That seems to be the fastest way. And I'm actually going to include this URL down below in the comment section that you're going to paste in here, but it's instagram.com/accounts /remove /requests /permanent. So and when you get to the page, as you can see, it's like super old. They're asking you, why do you want to delete it? And let's just say you don't, something else, right? Too busy to distract, and I'll put that. And then you would go ahead and put in your password for that account, and then it will allow you to delete the account. And it also remains hidden for a certain amount of time and then gets deleted. And I think maybe if you decide to change the reason, nope, it looks like it's going to give me about a month, right? A month before it fully permanently deletes it. So that's cool. So I'm going to go ahead and delete. Okay. And it's now loading. And that's the fastest way to delete your account. So it gives you the opportunity to come back, because I know some folks may accidentally delete their account or may not want to fully do it, but that is honestly the fastest way. The mobile app is always changing, so just log in on the website and get your account deleted if you want to do that. All right. If this video was helpful, definitely like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and reviews all about different tech tools and how to make it more productive and efficient. If you need more help, contact us at gsdsolutionsinc.com. Thanks so much for tuning in.